Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday and June 11th. Hope you guys had a wonderful weekend and a great start for the week here. We got a little bit to go over today. Today's a little bit more quiet day of the week, but for the rest of the week, it's going to really kind of really pick up here. Today, we're just kind of dipping our toe in the water here. So on the economic calendar, we only have factory orders for the month of April. So in March, we had a nice increase of 1.7%. But in April, the forecast was supposed to dip a 0.5%, and it came in a little bit greater than a 0.5% at 0.8% drop. So let's jump over to headline news. We do got a lot going on this week here. Stock market is mixed. The Dow is the only one that's in negative, but it's barely enough below negative. So it's just a few points under, which at some point could very well go into positive territory as well. But today, President Trump is in Singapore. He's getting ready for his meeting tomorrow with North Korea, Kim Jong-un, with the North Korean leader. And so that's our geopolitical news for this week. Will be obviously if anything comes out of it. If obviously I don't think I'm sure we're all not expecting something to happen immediately, but hopefully this is a good start to something positive happening for both countries here. Tomorrow we got the Fed FOMC beginning their two-day meeting. They begin their meeting tomorrow, and then they'll give their announcement on Wednesday. And then we got a lot of data that's going to be coming out this week as well, including the CPI reports for inflation news and a bunch of other ones that will be coming out this week as well. So let's see how bond market is affecting. Bond market's not moved too much. We're currently about zero. We're about the same as where we left off yesterday. Pricing should be about the same. We did dip below the 25-day moving average, so now it's no longer a floor of support. It becomes a ceiling of resistance. So right now we're hanging right at this level here. So obviously we did start the day lower, and we are up. Now, one thing to keep in mind today, we do have what they call a bond rollover. So each month, right around this time period, the bonds reset. So the pricing resets for the next month's pricing. Now, that has no bearing on interest rates when they happen. So even though this may show, like, for example, it might look something like this, even though we close up here, but with the bond reset and pricing, it might show like we're way down here, for example. I mean, sorry, this is a bad example because this is green. But let's say if we close up here and we close downwards, usually it's a downward trend. It looks like we had a really bad pricing. But in this scenario, it's just a reset in pricing for the next month's interest rates, and therefore it has no bearing on its pricing for that day. Hopefully that makes sense here. We got the 10-year Treasury, and it's still trying to break above the 25-day moving average. We're kind of holding right here at 2.95. We were at the 2.97 range, trying to break above it. It's been held back. This is keeping a nice ceiling of resistance for us. If this could hold, it could help out obviously mortgage-backed securities and help out interest rates. If it doesn't hold, we could see another break up towards 3.11 again, like we saw a few weeks ago here. So hopefully we can this could hold here and kind of help us out here a little bit and keep our rates a little bit more intact. But that pretty much wraps things up. Today's kind of again a little bit more of a quiet day here, but again tomorrow, beginning of the FOMC, we got the North Korea meeting tomorrow, so we'll have to kind of see how those play out. And of course, we got a lot more data this week as well. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. But if you guys want to get more data, just stop over to Twitter. I do post throughout the day there. Underneath Mike Bjork's my handle. Maybe you can follow me there as well. Otherwise, have a great day, and thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.